Have you ever wondered how machines can recognize your handwriting or determine if a house price is fair? Today we're going to dive into the fascinating world of neural networks and understand how they work using a simple example. Let's start by thinking about our input. Imagine we want to teach a computer to recognize the number 5 drawn by hand. Each stroke of that number is captured as data points, and these points serve as the inputs that feed into the network. Once the input is set, it travels through what we call the hidden layer. This is where the real magic begins. In this layer, neurons light up as they process the data. Each neuron adjusts its response based on the strength of the connections, which we refer to as weights. As the network works through the inputs, it enters a learning phase. The neurons activate in response to the drawn number, but occasionally they make mistakes. When this happens, we adjust the weights, changing their characteristics to reflect improvement. Now let's take a moment to appreciate the transformation that occurs. At first, the network might misidentify the number. However, with each iteration, as it learns from its errors, its recognition becomes increasingly accurate. Ultimately, the network confidently identifies the number as 5. Neural networks might seem complex at first glance, but fundamentally they mimic how our brains learn. By starting with simple examples like this, we can gain a clearer understanding of how inputs, hidden layers, and outputs work together to create intelligent systems. So keep exploring, and you'll uncover the incredible wonders of AI.